I had some diced ham in the refrigerator and I planned on making scalloped potatoes with it. However, I got looking at my bag of fresh potatoes and I didn't have enough to make a complete meal with. So I looked around the pantry to see what else I could come up with to use the ham with, and I found a box of this all gratin potatoes. Now, this is a family size box, but I still didn't feel like it was going to be enough for a complete meal. So I grabbed a couple of those fresh potatoes and I sliced them thin and added them into my Instapot along with all the ingredients that the box calls for. So 3 cups of water or boiling water, 3/4 cups of milk, and 2.5 tablespoons of butter. And then I added in, of course, the extra 2 potatoes. There's some onion in there, and then my ham. So I have made the box potatoes in the Instapot before, and I have that recipe on the blog. It takes about 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to do it just that way. But since I have a fresh potato in there, I'm thinking it's going to take me 7 minutes. So I'm going to it's on high pressure, and I'm going to adjust down to 7 minutes. And that should be long enough to get those fresh potatoes fully cooked, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, 7 minutes, high pressure. I did a natural release, so all the steam's out, my pin dropped. Let's see if those potatoes are all done. And it looks like dinner is ready. I'm gonna let it set for a few minutes to thicken up a little bit, but other than that, it is dinner.